Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the Flexbox wrap in the CSS. In the body tag, we have a parent div tag with a class name called Flex container. Inside this container, we have several div tags. In the style tag, we have written the CSS. This is the style of the div tag with the class name Flex container. The display attribute is set to Flex. The Flex wrap attribute is set to wrap. There are various options like the wrap, no wrap, reverse wrap, etc. This is the style of the div tags inside the Flex container. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the green colored row is the Flex container, and inside that, we have several div tags. As soon as the last div tag reaches the edge of the web page, the new div tag is shifted to a new line. This is due to the Flex wrap. It wraps its content. As I change the browser window's size, the Flexbox automatically wraps the content accordingly. Now, let's change the attribute value to no wrap. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, all the div tags are now aligned in a single horizontal line, instead of multiple lines. Now, let's change the attribute value to wrap reverse. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, all the div tags are now wrapped, but in the reverse order. So that's it. That's how you can use the Flex wrap in the CSS. Thank you.